Hi, in this video for the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver, we're going to show you how you can manually tune in a satellite channel, and in addition to that, and very much related to it, how to add a transponder. So to do this, all you have to do is simply go into menu, arrow over to the installation menu, and then arrow down to TP list. Okay, so what we want to do here is basically add a transponder. Now the reason that you'd want to do this is basically from time to time satellite frequencies change, or perhaps new channels are added or things like this, and the existing transponder for that particular channel does not exist in your transponder list on the box. Now generally it probably will, but you know, there are occasions where it won't, so you'd have to add it. So what I'm going to do here is press the green button to add a transponder, and just for argument's sake, just for test purposes, I'm going to say it's 11260. The symbol rate is 27500, and the polarity is V for vertical. And then I'm just going to arrow down and save. Now before I press the save button, what I'll add here is, I know this is going to add this onto my box because it doesn't exist on it. I've already checked this. So what it'll do is it'll add it to the end of my transponder list in the last position. If that transponder settings already existed on your box, it would tell you that it already existed and it wouldn't add it, and you'd have to cancel out this particular section, just the section I'm in now, and go back to the transponder list, and you could use the up and down arrows to scan through the list. There's about 100 odd in the list, and find the setting that you want, and then you perform your scan on that, which I'll show you now on the one I'm just about to add. So I'm just going to say save, and it's added it to the end of my list. So at this point then, all you want to do is press the blue, you've highlighted the one you want to search, so you'll press the blue button to scan this or search it. So you want to say free to air only. I'm only looking for a TV channel, so I'm going to just say TV channel, and you can say network search no and press OK. Now this will be an extremely quick search because you're only scanning one particular transponder, so it'll bring in everything that's on that particular transponder. And as you can see there, the channel I was after to try and add was called EWTN. So we'll see now what happens when we press OK, and then we exit back out. And what will happen then is these will all be added to the end of your channel list. And what you can do at that point basically then is you can sort and delete the ones you don't want. So you could, if it was just, say for argument's sake, if it was EWTN that we wanted, you could move that into a position on the box that suited yourself, or you could delete the ones that came in from that transponder that you don't want. And we have another video in the series showing you how to do that. It's very quick, and it's actually a great little handy procedure to know how to do on the Ferguson Ariva 252. But in this video we just wanted to show you basically how you can manually tune in a satellite channel and add a transponder on the Ferguson Ariva 252 combo receiver.